Hi, it's Mike Pangia. Today I want to share with you my method for making perfectly cooked, easy to peel, hard-boiled eggs. You'll need a pot of gently boiling water and a bowl of ice water to cool the egg. The egg gets put into the water once it's already boiling and then gets timed for 14 minutes. Alexa, set egg timer 14 minutes.
14 minutes, starting now.
Once the timer goes off, time to scoop the egg out and put it in the ice bath to stop the cooking. Alexa, cancel timer. Time to peel the egg. Remove it from the ice bath. Crack the shell all around. Start to peel it under the warm water. Shell basically comes off all in one piece. Let's take a look at the result. Perfect. Summarizing, here's what you need to know. Get your water boiling first. Prepare your ice water bath. Once the water is boiling, set your timer for 14 minutes. Put the egg in the boiling water. After 14 minutes, take it out, immerse it in the ice bath. Let it sit for a minute or so to cool off. Bring it over to your sink. Run the water slowly, warm. Crack the egg all around. Put it under the running water. Peel it with your thumbs. The peel will come off nice and neat, all in one piece. Good luck. Have fun.